Welcome back. You're watching Bollywood This Week. We cornered Imran Khan, who spoke about the failure of his latest film Gori Tere Pyar Mein. Take a look in our next story.
जो प्रॉब्लम्स थी वो हम संभाल लेंगे एंड वी विल फिक्स इट. जो प्रॉब्लम्स थी वो हम संभाल लेंगे एंड वी विल फिक्स इट.
Imran Khan, whose latest film Gori Tere Pyar Mein turned out to become a box office dud, recently revealed the story behind the film becoming a flop.
That I feel are internal things. I should tell जो जिन लोगों ने मेरे साथ फिल्म पर काम किया है, मैं किसी पब्लिकली कभी अपनी फिल्म की बुराई नहीं करूँगा. आई विल नेवर स्पीक अगेंस्ट माई फिल्म, अगेंस्ट माई डायरेक्टर और माई प्रोड्यूसर. तो अब जो कमियाँ हैं, वो जो प्रॉब्लम्स थी वो हम संभाल लेंगे एंड वी विल फिक्स इट.
Well, if you still did not understand what Imran was trying to say, then let us make it clear. Well, the actor was simply trying to say that he is not the only one responsible for the failure of Gori Tere Pyar Mein, and instead he would share it with the people he has worked with. And that's not all. Imran even went on to say that he will never speak wrong about his directors and producers in front of the media.
मैं अपने काम से बहुत सेटिस्फाइड हूँ. जिसने फिल्म देखा है उन्होंने कहा कि मेरा काम बड़ा अच्छा था. अफसोस की बात यह है कि बहुत कम लोगों ने फिल्म देखा है.
Imran is satisfied with his recent work. At the same time, looks like the actor has learnt a good lesson from his last back-to-back flops.
There's always a lesson to be learned. कि भाई आगे जाके हम ये गलती ना करें.
Well, now that we are talking about learning a lesson, when will he learn the lesson to follow his Mamujan Amir's footsteps? Just like the way Amir does marketing and promotional strategies for his films, when will Imran learn all that? As even after working with big directors like Milan Luthria in Once Upon a Time in Mumbai Dobara and Vishal Bhardwaj's Matru Ki Bijli Ka Mandola, the film still did not turn out to be big hits. But surprisingly, this is how Imran chose to escape from all these failures.
मैं अपने काम से बहुत सेटिस्फाइड हूँ. दैट आई फील आर इंटरनल थिंग्स. आई शुड टेल जो जिन लोगों ने मेरे साथ फिल्म पर काम किया है.
And this is not the first time we're hearing Imran say something like this. As earlier too, during the time of Once Upon a Time in Mumbai Dobara, Imran had blamed Ekta Kapoor for excessive promotions and tried to escape the failure. But what Imran doesn't know is every reasoning that is given after the film's failure is always considered an excuse. Well, Imran, looks like you forgot to learn this lesson.
There's always a lesson to be learned. कि भाई आगे जाके हम ये गलती ना करें.
Moving on, we bring you every detail of all that you wanted to know about the Time Celeb October rankings. We'll show you the top 3 actors and actresses in our next story. Presenting Time Celeb powered by Zoom, a reality meter in this perception-based industry, based on hard facts and figures which has been collected using more than 200 newspapers and 250 TV channels in India. Box office collection numbers from 10,000 plus cinema halls, social media websites, internet search engines and several other information sources, making it the most scientific, definitive and comprehensive ranking system ever. And now we are going to reveal to you the top 3 actors and actresses in the Time Celeb list for the month of October 2013. In the top 3 actors list. Superstar Salman Khan, who was on the 2nd position in September, has now come down to the 3rd position. In October, Salman's reality TV show gave him substantial points. Add to that the 1.04 crore FB fans, the highest in all of showbiz, along with 53.8 Twitter followers and a whooping 2.18 lakh mentions in tweets. Also, he had 7 active brand endorsements, 1,569 print and 183 TV stories. Salman's upcoming film Jai Ho is a remake of a Telugu film, and there was buzz he bought the film's rights for 4.5 crores, the highest ever for a South remake. And that's how Salman Khan bagged the 3rd position on the Time Celeb list. On the Time Celeb number 2 position, we have Akshay Khiladi Kumar. Firstly, his action entertainer Boss's far-out promotions and 51 crore box office collections gave Aki a lot of points. Besides this, Aki had 4 active brand endorsements, 54.9 FB fans, 37.6 lakh Twitter followers and 1.84 lakh plus mentions in tweets, thanks to his song Party All Night. Add to that 1555 print and 121 TV stories. Earlier, Aki was in the news for unveiling a poster of Boss, which had the dimensions of 193 feet by 180 feet, making it the Guinness World Record holder for the biggest poster ever in the world. And while talking about Boss, Aki said that he plays a colourful Haryanvi character whose kicks will blow the audience away. Hit song Party All Night, and this is how, with a T-score of 44, Akshay Kumar is on the 2nd position. And now, coming to the first position on Time Celeb list powered by Zoom. After bagging the first position in the month of September, rock star Ranbir Kapoor has maintained his numero uno position in October rankings too. Despite the failure of Besharam, its all-out publicity campaign and 56 crore box office collections gave Ranbir a sizable PR and box office point. He also had 5 active brand endorsements and 36.7 lakh fans on FB. And even though his Twitter following remained dismal with only 1.9 lakh followers, he found a mention in a massive 2.59 lakh tweets. Add to that, he was the subject of 1457 print stories and 140 TV stories. According to reports, Ranbir Kapoor was paid a whooping 20 crores for Besharam. And this is how, with a T-score of 45, Ranbir Kapoor bagged the number 1 position on the Time Celeb list powered by Zoom. Now it's time for the number 1 actress in the Time Celeb powered by Zoom's October list. Priyanka Chopra has retained her September ranking of number 3. Zanjeer did not work at the box office, but its publicity and about 15 crore box office collections gave Priyanka some PR and box office points. More importantly, PC was the joint number 1 on Facebook with Deepika Padukone thanks to a 62 lakh fans and number 1 amongst all actresses with 49.6 lakh followers on Twitter, although she was mentioned on just 64,000 tweets. However, PC made up for it by being the 2nd highest amongst all actresses, with 12 active brand endorsements and 1374 print and 149 TV stories. And this popularity fetched her the 3rd position on the Time Celeb list. Moving on to the 2nd position on the Time Celeb list powered by Zoom. After bagging the numero uno position in the September rankings, Kareena Kapoor Khan has slipped to the 2nd spot in October. In October, Kareena's kitty was filled with some considerable PR points due to the out-there publicity campaign of Gori Tere Pyar Mein. She had a huge 1.96 lakh plus mentions in tweets, but on FB and Twitter, Kareena continued to remain below par with only 13 lakh fans and 2 lakh followers respectively. But on the brighter side, she had 10 active brand endorsements along with 1201 print and 146 TV stories. And thanks to these impressive figures, Kareena bagged the 2nd position on the Time Celeb list. After bagging the 2nd position in August and September, in October, Katrina Kaif has made a great comeback to reclaim the number 1 position. Firstly, Dhoom 3's large-scale promotions in October gave her mind-boggling PR points and a mention in over 1.72 lakh tweets, plus she had a whooping 16 actively advertised brands, the highest in all of B-Town. And even though on FB she had relatively low 21 lakh fans and on Twitter just 5 lakh followers, she became the subject of some 974 print and 115 TV stories. So it's absolutely no surprise that Katrina is indeed the number 1 in all of Tinseltown. Time for a short break on Bollywood this week, but when we come back, Priyanka Chopra gets candid on Zoom. So let's listen in.